Welcome to PROCAD's electric software. Let's do a quick demo. Double-click the PROCAD 2D icon to start the launcher. Once the launcher dialog appears, click on the electric icon or select one of the options below, View Tutorials to see the online software tutorials, Subscribe Online to go to the PROCAD subscription webpage, or Exit to exit the launcher. Let's click on the electric icon to start the software. In the Drawing Manager's dialog box, select the standard to use. We'll use the Twin Lakes project for this demo. Click the new icon to create a drawing. Enter the file name. Double-click the file name to open the drawing and begin the drawing session. We'll create a schematic drawing. Select OK. On the left, you'll see the electric toolbox, and on the lower left, the menu selection between schematic and layout for the symbols. First, we'll insert a border. Select the Utility tab and then the border icon. Pick a C-size sheet. Input the data for the title. This information can be updated at any time during the drawing session. Click OK to accept the data input. We'll start drawing panel wiring, another panel wire straight down, and we'll add some symbols onto this line. We'll start off with a single pole switch. Enter the tag, and the line is automatically broken and the symbol placed. Continue placing items. We'll put in another switch, this time a user defined. And this little switch box will show up again, breaking the line. Adding different components. Select the item, enter the information, and it is placed onto the drawing. We'll put in a point and a bit of main wiring line. And on this line, we'll place a capacitor. All symbols are available. Some will ask for a reverse, or you can accept the current orientation. Let's put a delta symbol in. We can use AutoCAD commands to rotate the symbols, and we can use the trim functions to trim out lines as well. Continue placing some symbols. Next, we'll add another transformer, zero sequence potential transformer. We can finish off the run with a transformer. Enter the data required, click OK, and the symbol is placed. We'll finish off with a wire tag. So under Miscellaneous Tools, find the wire tag, click left or right, enter the information, and click OK. We'll add some more data as we go, and then we can take a look at adding some relays, placing the information inside, and the relays are placed with the lines trimmed out inside of the balloons. We can add other things like arrows. And then we can use AutoCAD's copy command to create copies very easily on the drawing. Once copied, we can edit and make small adjustments. The completed drawing is shown, and we'll zoom up, pan around to see more detail. Lastly, we'll save, then File, and Exit. It's that easy.